Welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen, wishing you a lovely day. Today, we are remaking barley porridge with fava beans. Since the weather is cold, this is the perfect time for it. I'll take the pot and add some oil. I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, exactly 2 tablespoons. I also have 1 spoon of butter, which is optional if you prefer not to use it. If you skip the butter, just add another spoon of oil, making it 3 tablespoons total. Now I'll add a small chopped onion. I'll saute the onion here with the butter and oil. Once the onion is sautéed, I'll add 3 medium tomatoes that I grated. These are the tomatoes I grated. I have here 100 grams of soaked fava beans. I soaked them for about 3 hours. You can also soak them overnight for use the next day. That works fine. Use small fava beans if possible because they taste better than large ones. Now I'll add the 100 grams of fava beans. I'll add salt to taste. I'll add half a spoon of black pepper, not too much, and half a spoon of turmeric. Now I'll give everything a stir. I'll add water. I'll let the beans cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of cooking, the beans are ready with the tomatoes. Now I have a bowl of barley grains. I washed them very well and removed any impurities. Now I'll add them here. This is local barley. Choose local because it tastes much better. And it is available everywhere. I'll stir it a little. I'll cover the pot and leave it for another 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I'll add a large spoon of tomato paste. I have 2 big spoons of cilantro. And 1 spoon of parsley. I'll mix everything and leave it on low heat for 5 minutes. Let it simmer for 5 minutes and it will be ready. We'll meet again for the final result. The mixture is ready now, and this is the texture you should get. It shouldn't be too thick or too runny. Now we'll serve it in bowls and meet for the final look. Here is the final look of our barley with fava beans. It turns out great. You can garnish it with a bit of parsley if you like. Garnishing is optional depending on your taste. Everyone adds what they prefer. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell button to get all new recipes, and see you in the next video.